And before applying my setting spray, I need to get my fan, because I need to fan my face. And I think I got this one from Stradivarius. Is it from Stradivarius? Let me check. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christy here again. Welcome back. So today I am coming back to you guys with a new video. So basically I'll be filming an everyday makeup routine, and for you guys something easy, quick, and hopefully you're gonna like it. Do you know what, when it comes to makeup, right, I don't really follow trends that much. Okay, I only follow trends that might work with my face, because like everyone's face is different. So you might follow a trend on makeup and it doesn't suit your face. Do you know what I mean? So which means it's not good to follow every single trend. If it doesn't work on your face, don't do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do something very easy and simple today. This makeup, you can wear it to go to work, you can wear it to go to school, you can wear it to go everywhere basically. Yeah, because it's like a simple everyday makeup routine. But like if you're going to a big event, obviously you're going to complicate it a little bit. Really excited. I am not a makeup guru, just to put it out there. I didn't know I wasn't speaking with my mic, so let me go grab my microphone. Microphone is now on. So the first thing, I'm not going to talk, I'm going to do a voiceover, or I can talk sometime, but I'm just going to do like a voiceover for you guys. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to, what do I usually do? Yeah. So I have to apply my primer first. I'll be holding my mirror because, guys, yeah, I need something close. This is in the shade 360. This is the MAC concealer. No, this is not the MAC concealer. This is a Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 360 for my under eye. I'm not gonna apply too much because, like, yeah, it's just like an everyday makeup, and I don't want it to be heavy.
be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
So now we are going to I don't know why my make keeps on falling. So now we are going to apply the lips. We're going to do the lips. For the lips, we are going to use these two. This is the lip liner from the brand called Collection. It's called Precision Color 10 chocolate. 10 chocolate, basically that's the number. I'm also going to use the Catrice lip gloss. Yeah, it's called Volume Gloss.
It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I gotta pull it out.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
thank you for watching this video. This is the end of this. I hope you really enjoyed. I hope you really got inspired, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay,
I demand nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want to. You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too.